This is an excerpt of a conversation with Yuan Lee and Thomas Tritton, brought to you by the Chemical Heritage Foundation's T.T. Chow Symposium.
I think we all want to find some truth. And as a scientist, you want to understand new things, finding something new. And at the same time, everybody was also thinking about, are there some law of nature govern the evolution of the society? So those things really are not in contradiction. So everybody was quite curious about student movement, but everybody went back to the laboratory and worked very hard. And when I came to Berkeley, I worked with late Professor Bruce Mahan, and that was some experience I never forget. We sit down and discuss about research subject. And then I asked him, Professor Mahan, how should I proceed? He looked at me and said, Yuan, if I know the answer, I would have done it already. And I thought he was joking. And so at that time, I was married, was living with my wife. I always complained to my wife, and it's strange, in high school, teacher seems to know everything. In the university, sometimes teacher would say, Yuan, you are still too young, you don't have to know. Then I knew that he didn't know. But then you come to graduate school, and the famous school and famous professor said, I don't know, I don't really know. And that was going on for about 2 years. And after 2 years, one day, Professor Mahan said, Yuan, you did very well. You can write the thesis and finish your PhD. I was furious. I said, Bruce, I came here for more than 2 years. You didn't teach me anything. And every time you come and you always ask, what's new? What are you going to do next? And during the last 2 months, I spent all the time trying to explain to you what I've been doing, what I'm going to do, and you didn't teach me anything. Now you want to kick me out. And I was a little angry. And Bruce was very kind. He said, Yuan, you were here and you are very independent and you know how to solve the problem, and you also know where the problems are and how to do it. And